Mike Rosehart here, walking down the street from my house to one of the rentals that I own on the same street, and I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of what it's like to be mid-renovation. We're about 80% through on this renovation. Tenants are moving in about 24 to 48 hours. They're going to start entering the keys. So I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of what it's like. We had 6 people on site today. We had electricians, we've had plumbers, we've had a couple carpenters, painters, you name it, been on site. So all of that, you might even see someone, might even see the countertop guy come in, just putting the quartz in. But I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough so you can see what it's actually like as a real estate investor trying to manage 100 texts and problems and issues. Let's see what we find. We're walking up. You guys can see in here, coming in, nice new door handles just put on. What do we have? Oh, the tile is looking really, really nice. Nice 12 by 24 tiles, new closet door, all the light fixtures are new. We have the old appliances, someone come from Kijiji to pick those up. Painters are working. New appliances have arrived. Picked them up on Kijiji for about $200 for a stainless steel stove and a couple $100 for the fridge. It's all about the deal hunting. They give warranties 60 days, so it's not too bad. We've got this opened up here. New quartz counters are going to be coming in, so this is going to be ripped out. We've got the nice floors in once things get cleaned up. Hey Tom!
Hello.
Say hi to YouTube!
Hi YouTube!
We opened this up here as well. It's going to be the fridge there. We've got a nice window there. There's going to be a 24-inch by 4-foot breakfast bar that overhangs a foot on both sides. So you have a nice breakfast bar with a view through the outside into the living room sitting area. That's the stove there. There'll be a dishwasher going in there. Dishwashers add a lot of value. Same with in-unit laundry on the same floor. So that's why I added, we're gonna have a walk-in pantry with several shelves on that side there, and then we're gonna have stackable laundry put in right here. And it'll be tiled as well like the foyer with these beautiful porcelain 12 by 24 tiles. Beautiful. When it gets all done, it's gonna be beautiful. Good work, Dave. We have a sliding barn door, this barn door kit, which I'm going to put on the pantry, so it'll slide right there. Working on the bathroom right now. I've got brand new vanity going in, new toilet. We just tiled 12 by 24 tiles there. Just the purpose of being painted. We re-enameled the tub. It was disgusting blue color. And so the bathroom's not getting painted yet. We've got 4 bedrooms, we've painted them all, put in, got new windows and things like that going in. There's double closets here, which is a huge advantage of this project. Boom. The master bedroom here, it's a good size. Corners need to be cleaned, obviously. They've gotten quite dusty, but you get a feel for the layout of the space. And we've got a 3rd bedroom in this apartment. It's a duplex property. So, got a 3rd bedroom here as well. Lights are off. We put in again, new dome lights everywhere. New paint color going in. And new closet doors. You've got a feel for the 3 bedroom. Mid-renovation, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. I can do more videos like this. This is a day in the life as a real estate investor. I'm always working on new projects. There are always coordination, things that need to be done. This is gonna be a really great space. When it's all said and done, I'm gonna do an after video so you guys can get a feel for what it looks like, and you can guys get some before pictures. It was a bit dreary in this unit, so I just needed a unit refresh. I've owned this property for now 3 years, and I'm just changing out the tenants up here. In the upper unit of the duplex and the lower unit, the tenants are content, so things are good. And this is part of being a real estate investor. My phone, I probably got 100 texts today, you know, coordinating everything. So that's something that's you just have to deal with as a real estate investor. People are always texting you and things are always needing to be done. So that's just part of the game. Cheers, guys.